Physical activity isn't just a way to stay fit. For individuals with diabetes, it's a life-saving necessity. Now you might wonder, why is exercise so critical for diabetes sufferers? Well, the answer lies in the power of physical activity and its profound impact on our bodies. Regular exercise acts as a natural insulin, helping to control blood sugar levels. It's like having an internal pharmacist, dispensing just the right amount of medicine to keep your glucose in check. But that's not all. Exercise also bolsters heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease, a common concern for people with diabetes. And let's not forget the benefits for our mental well-being. Physical activity is a proven stress buster, helping to alleviate anxiety and enhance mood. In essence, maintaining an active lifestyle isn't just about managing diabetes, it's about improving your overall quality of life. So, let's dive into the steps of maintaining adequate physical activity for diabetes sufferers. The first step is understanding your body's needs. This line, simple yet profound, begins our journey into the realm of personal health and fitness. It's not about achieving an ideal image we see in magazines or on television. It's about understanding what our bodies require and finding the right balance that works best for us. Especially for those managing diabetes, this understanding becomes crucial in maintaining an active and healthy lifestyle. In this pursuit of understanding, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider. Each one of us is unique with our own set of needs, strengths, and limitations. A healthcare provider can help navigate through these individual specifics and provide guidance on how to manage physical activity safely and effectively. Physical activity is a broad term, encompassing different types of exercises. Each type plays a unique role in our overall health and fitness. Let's delve into three primary types: aerobic, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Aerobic exercises like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling are designed to increase your heart rate and breathing. These exercises help the body use insulin more effectively, improve blood flow, and increase your stamina, making them an excellent choice for diabetes management. Strength training, on the other hand, focuses on building muscle mass. This could be achieved through weightlifting or bodyweight exercises. The increased muscle mass helps the body to use insulin better and makes it easier for glucose to get inside the cells, thus helping in better control of blood sugar levels. Then we have flexibility exercises. These include stretching and yoga, which help to maintain joint flexibility and muscle elasticity. They also aid in relaxation and stress reduction, which is crucial in managing diabetes. Combining these different types of exercises, customized to your specific needs and limitations, creates a well-rounded physical activity plan. The key is to understand that it's not about pushing beyond your limits, but working within them to achieve optimal health. Remember, understanding your body's needs and limitations is the foundation of your physical activity plan. With this foundation, you can build a lifestyle that supports your well-being, even in the face of challenges like diabetes. Once you understand your body's needs, the next step is setting realistic goals. A crucial part of maintaining adequate physical activity, especially for those managing conditions like diabetes, is goal setting. But not just any goals. We're talking about SMART goals. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach ensures that your fitness objectives are clear, manageable, and tailored to your needs. Let's break it down. Specific means your goal should be well-defined. Instead of saying, "I want to get more active," try something like, "I want to walk for 30 minutes every day." That's a goal you can visualize and work towards. Next, your goal should be measurable. This means it's quantifiable. If you're aiming to walk for 30 minutes daily, you can easily track your progress by timing your walks. The A in SMART stands for achievable. Your goals should challenge you, but still remain attainable. If you're new to regular physical activity, it might not be realistic to aim for a marathon right off the bat. Maybe start with a 15-minute walk, then gradually increase the duration as your stamina improves. Relevant goals are ones that align with your broader health objectives. If your aim is to manage your diabetes, then your exercise goals should support that. Finally, goals should be time-bound. This means setting a deadline for your goal. It could be a week, a month, or even a year, depending on what you're aiming for. Now, here's a vital piece of advice. Focus on consistency over intensity. It's better to engage in moderate exercise regularly, rather than pushing yourself to the limit in a single session, and then skipping the next few days because you're exhausted, or worse, injured. Remember, the aim of setting goals is to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle, not to push you to the point of burnout. So be kind to yourself, be realistic, and most importantly, be patient. Progress might be slow, but every step you take gets you closer to your goal. Setting realistic goals is the key to maintaining long-term physical activity. Now that you've set your goals, it's time to create a balanced exercise routine. A balanced routine is just like a well-rounded meal. It's all about variety. Incorporating different types of exercises into your regimen not only keeps things interesting, but it also ensures that you're training your body in multiple ways. Let's break it down into 3 key ingredients: cardiovascular workouts, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Firstly, cardiovascular workouts. These are exercises that get your heart rate up and help improve your heart health. Walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling are great options. Aim for about 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. That's about 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Next, strength training. This helps build muscle mass, which in turn improves your body's ability to control blood sugar levels. Weightlifting or resistance training are great options here. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 2 days a week. Lastly, flexibility exercises. These help maintain range of motion in your joints and improve your overall mobility. Yoga and stretching are perfect for this. Try to include some form of flexibility training in your routine each day. Now let's not forget about the bookends of your workout. Warming up and cooling down. Warming up prepares your body for exercise, reducing the risk of injury. A short brisk walk or a light jog will do the trick. Cooling down, on the other hand, helps your body return to its normal state, reducing the risk of dizziness or fainting after your workout. Some light stretching or walking should suffice. Remember, everyone's body is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. Don't be afraid to tailor your routine to your own needs and preferences. In conclusion, a balanced exercise routine is a mix of cardiovascular workouts, strength training, and flexibility exercises, bookended by a good warm-up and cool-down. A balanced routine is your ticket to a healthier, happier life with diabetes. The final step is monitoring your progress and adjusting as needed. This is a crucial part of maintaining an effective exercise routine, especially for those managing diabetes. Let's start with the importance of checking your blood sugar levels. This is not just something to be done at doctor's appointments, it's a practice that should be woven into your daily routine. Before you exercise, take a moment to check your blood sugar. This will help you understand how your body responds to physical activity. After your workout, check again. You'll be able to see the immediate impact, and over time, you'll start to notice patterns. But what do you do with this information? Well, it's simple. If your blood sugar levels are too high, you might need to increase the intensity or duration of your workout. On the other hand, if they're too low, you might need to dial it back a bit. It's all about finding the right balance for your body. Now let's talk about listening to your body. This might sound a bit abstract, but it's actually quite straightforward. If you're feeling exhausted after your workouts, or if you're feeling pain, it could be a sign that you're pushing yourself too hard. Remember, exercise should be challenging, but it shouldn't leave you feeling drained or in pain. So, how do you adjust your routine based on these signals? Again, it's all about balance. You might need to reduce the intensity of your workouts, or perhaps you need more rest days in between. Or maybe it's time to try a different type of exercise. The key is to make adjustments that help you feel better and keep your blood sugar levels in check. In the end, monitoring and adjusting is not just about numbers and charts. It's about understanding your body and making the necessary changes to ensure your exercise routine is effective and sustainable. Monitoring and adjusting is crucial to ensure your physical activity plan continues to meet your needs. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We started with the power of physical activity, emphasizing its crucial role in managing diabetes. We then moved on to understanding your body's needs, highlighting the importance of recognizing individual differences when it comes to exercise and health. Following that, we dug into setting realistic goals. It's not about pushing yourself to the limit, but rather about setting achievable targets that will keep you motivated and on track. We also discussed creating a balanced exercise routine. This entails blending cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility workouts to ensure your body gets a comprehensive workout. Finally, we touched on monitoring your progress and adjusting as needed. It's vital to keep track of your progress, but don't be disheartened if you need to make changes. Adaptation is a part of the journey. Remember, maintaining adequate physical activity as a diabetes sufferer isn't just about managing your condition. It's about empowering yourself to live a healthier, more fulfilling life.